HelloFresh for This Is Weekend's Count doing a HelloFresh unboxing. So just want to make sure that we're clear on that. So here's our HelloFresh box where weekends count. Thank you for joining. If you are joining us for the first time, we are a family travel and activity blog. So we cover weekend activities, family weekend getaways, anything to do with travel, kids activities, family activities, just having a good time. And we also cover food and cooking, so and eating out. So if you want to, we're going to go through here and show you our unboxing of food items for the week. Hashtag live fresh. Alright, so here is our booklet for the week. Okay, alright, so you can see here, you got a little note from Chef Andrea about romesco. It's a traditional Spanish sauce. It's delicious. And here's our spotlight on romesco. Kind of gives you a little bit of information about it. Okay, our first recipe for the week. Asian shrimp and pork wonton soup. It's a, so it looks like this is a 45-minute recipe, level 3, nut-free, dairy-free. And because it has shrimp or seafoods, make me first. The ingredients include the shrimp, ground pork, broccoli, carrot, red chili flakes, soy sauce, faux vegetable broth concentrates, wonton wrappers, carrots, ginger, scallions, and cilantro and garlic. Okay, so our second recipe, and you can see here are the instructions on how to make that. It's very simple, just 8 steps, and shows you the pictures on what it looks like. Next one here is blackened steak and roasted cauliflower salad with Israeli couscous, pickled shallots, and roasted red pepper. And this one is a 40-minute recipe, level 2. It's dairy-free. Comes with sirloin steak. So I'll eat that. My wife doesn't eat meat, so we'll probably put some chicken in there for her. Sliced almonds, cauliflower, red wine vinegar, red bell pepper, hot smoked paprika, shallots, garlic, Israeli couscous, parsley, and golden raisins. Okay, another look at this recipe. And we also have tandoori chicken. Look at that. With julienne apple salad, spiced yogurt sauce. It's 35-minute recipes, level 2, nut-free and gluten-free. Comes with chicken breast, Greek yogurt, Granny Smith apple, plum tomato, chicken stock concentrate, tandoori spice, lime, scallion, cilantro, and basmati rice. So let's look at the ingredients. Alright, so this one is the blackened steak. Okay, here's the cauliflower. So you can see you got the almonds, couscous, cilantro, red bell pepper, red wine vinegar. Okay, so that's that recipe. And we also have the Asian shrimp and pork wonton soup. This one comes with scallions. Let's see here, some garlic. Let's see the scallions there. Alright. Got more cilantro, chili flakes, soy sauce. Looks like some vegetable faux concentrate, some carrots, these wonton wrappers, all natural from the soya. Okay, some broccoli, fresh, some ginger. Okay. Alright. Goes back in the box. chicken. So you can see here, we got our scallions, basmati rice, some yogurt from Brook Farms, there's cilantro there, lime, an apple, tomato, tandoori spice for the tandoori chicken, chicken broth or chicken stock concentrate. Alright, so let's put those up. And then we want to take a look at the meat. Got the glazed rice packs here, keep everything fresh and cool. So here's our sirloin steak pack. And here are our shrimp. This is our ground pork, because this is for steak, steak and pork in that recipe. Alright. Well, thank you so much for joining me and Weekends Count here for our HelloFresh unboxing. We'll be doing this just about every week, so thank you so much, and we'll see you next week. Thank you.